I'm an instructor here at UCR Extension. I teach both the IEP program and the CAL program. I also personally have experiences living abroad and study in a short-term program in other countries as well. And because I remember benefiting from a short-term program myself, I felt like I understand why people want to enroll into a short-term program, because they want to better their English proficiency level. They're still a little bit hesitant and not sure what they want to do.
So I researched the English program and I found the UC Riverside has a good English program. Everything is fantastic because I live in international village, so I don't worry about where I'm living.
This program includes not only lectures but also presentation or interviews. So I think for non-native speakers, it is important to give presentation in English. So it was a great opportunity for me to improve my English skills.
I feel very happy every day because the teacher Teresa is very nice. She can make me to less nervous to learn my English.